Welcome guys, Greenball back again with another reaction video. Today we'll check out Chip 10 Commandments. So we're gonna check this out and see what's going on. Like the video, share it, comment and subscribe, and any other video you guys want me to do, link it in the description, in the comment section down below. So let's begin. What's the fat skull tracks? Bitch. My nigga smoking a blunt in the snow. Oh, this is a Stormy this. Wow, this is a Stormy this. Oh, ho, ho. Damn.
Next minute you're at strangers painting. Like why you love going people's houses, yo, tanning in your yard, you pagan. Cannibal, you can't even handle cannabis. Twin in the crew should have warned you. Chipmunk, don't do panicking. You're all gonna hear Storms, he took a L and he tried stand tall before he fell. So he's a man of his word in some ways, but he's unstalking like a girl. Cocaine.
Damn.
I'm on track, he's off the rails. You're some bitch with only fans. Boy, I don't give two fucks what you sell.
Wait, Storms have OnlyFans? Oh, basically, he's like saying Storms is such a hypocrite because he's doing this just here and then doing the next thing on another range. Dickhead. Man, the UK rhythms are so like a jumpy flow, like a flow. Man throw the bomb out the ass.
Trust me, I know about youths like you. Fuck with a nigga and it's pagan too. Also when you're in the middle on both tunes. Caught in the middle with my pen go boom.
Ooh. Yo, Chip know how to flow, bro. He got a nice flow.
Check my mentions. Them man they come offline cause they can't handle the attention.
Hey. Hey. Funny enough, it sound like he's literally just talking over a rhythm. And it's fire, bruh.
Hop out the whip, looking for Chip, you only bad with the bros. Cause that one the vibe.
Oh, he said Wiley. Damn, I remember that clash. Conan. Dude, wait, Conan? Wait, Storms is a Christian, bruh? You're joking, bruh. There's no way. So Storms is a Christian. Guys, I'm literally watching it on my phone, bruh. Literally watching it on my phone because my computer is not working, so I'm literally watching it on my phone. That's crazy. Dude, this song was fire, bruh. I know that I'm gonna see if Stormzy have any video of his own and then check it out because this one was fire. And I like how he's just like talking and the rhythm is just over it. It just seems like he's just doing like a poetry, as he said it always have his pen in hand and doing this thing. He's saying that Stormzy is a hypocrite because one time you're saying don't follow the government, don't do this, don't Boris must F off, and then you're telling people to vote. He's like, Stormzy, what are you doing? He said Stormzy is also a Christian. I didn't know that Stormzy was a Christian, bro. That's crazy. because the type of song that he's singing, I don't know about that. But anyway, guys, this was very interesting. I'm gonna see if there are any Stormzy this for Chip and see what's going on.